Hello everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. And today in this video, we will talk about how you can convert a website built in Lovable into a WordPress Elementor website with just a single click. So let's get started. So guys, the website you see here on my screen is a website I built using Lovable. And today we will convert this website into Elementor. So to convert this into Elementor, we are going to use an extension here, which is HTML to Elementor. I will provide this extension link in the description. So let's add this extension to our Chrome. For this, we will go to Add to Chrome and click Add Extension here. So guys, our HTML to Elementor extension has now been added to our Chrome, and we will pin it here. Now we will go to our WordPress dashboard. Here, what you need to do first is come here and go to Elementor and then go to Settings. After Settings, you will click on the Advanced tab. And inside this Advanced tab, the Enable Unfiltered File Uploads option you see here will appear disabled. We need to enable this. And then we will click on Save Changes here. So whatever changes we have made here have now been saved. The next step is now we need to install a plugin. For this, we will go to Plugins and then go to Add Plugins. After that, we will type the name of the plugin here, which is SVG Support. So the SVG Support plugin has appeared here. We will install this plugin from here, and we will also activate it from here. Now this plugin has been installed and activated here. After this, we will go to the same website that we need to clone. So for this, what we need to do is scroll through this website properly first so that all the images load correctly. After that, we will click on the extension we added. Upon clicking it, an interface will open from the bottom where you will see options for capture, convert code, and license. If you click on capture here, you will see a label saying select mode to capture. If you click on here, you will see two types of options. The first option is select specific element. If you want to copy only a specific section or a specific text or images or buttons, then you can select specific element. After this, the second option we have is capture all content within the page. If you select this, the entire website page will be copied. After this, if you click on convert code, here you can paste any HTML code you can convert into Elementor. If you want to get its paid version, then you can click license. By clicking on the here text, I am choosing the capture all content within the page option, and I am turning on the Elementor v4 mode here. After this, we will click on capture page here. So our entire website has now been copied here. You can also see the data copied to clipboard option here. After this, we will go back to our WordPress dashboard. Here, we will go to Pages and click on Add New. So we will give the page the title Home. After this, we will come to the Astra settings here. Here, we will set the container layout to full width, and in the Disable Elements section below, we will disable the header and footer sections. After this, we will save draft from here. After that, we will click on Edit with Elementor here. So now our Edit with Elementor page has opened. Here, the home title you see, we will hide this home title now. For this, we will go to Page Settings here. After that, we will set Hide Title to Yes here. So our title has been hidden. After this, what we need to do is the entire section here is now blank. After this, we will right-click here. You will see an option, Paste from Other Site. You need to click there. So a pop-up will appear asking you to Ctrl+V. The process has started here. So we will have to wait for a while for this. So guys, the entire website that we just copied, exactly as it was with all the images, has now been copied here in its entirety. So let's go ahead and publish it from here. Now let's view its content. So guys, you can see that the website we just copied, the one originally built in Lovable, has been copied exactly as it was. So guys, in this way, you can convert any Lovable build website into your WordPress Elementor with just a single click. And the best part is this website page that we have just copied is fully editable with Elementor. You can edit or delete anything you like here. We also provide AI-related website development services. If you need any help, you can book a free consultation call with us. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.